Hi everyone, my name is Rahul Gurani. I'm a proud alumnus of Acharya. Our dearest HOD, Sir Ramakrishna, have asked me to shoot a small video and tell you about my journey of Acharya of 3 years. Well, let me take you back. I did my BCA from AIGS from 2013 to 16. Well, to me, Acharya was not only a center for learning, but actually a huge opportunity and varieties of options to explore from. From the time college started, I became a very active member in NSS. We did everything from shooting mime acts in colleges to street plays on social topics. I even was a part of a Hindi club back in my first year, where we did a play on Indian dowry system. We also made many poems, recited poems in front of seniors and teachers. So basically what I'm saying is Acharya had, from the first day, we had a lot of fun with our teachers and with the seniors. And then comes the second semester, where the entire college was waiting for Acharya Habba. We had a lot of fun in Habba. And then, of course, we had ID Fest. I'm not sure how many of you have already heard about ID Fest, but to me, ID Fest was the game-changing moment for me. And me and my classmates made IT Fest a brand across colleges, across the community of Fest, across the city. From handling sponsorships to PR to which banner has to be put where, deciding all of these things. It taught us teamwork, it taught us leadership, it taught us innovation in terms of technical rounds, and basically that is the time you get involved with your teachers apart from the classroom decorum. By doing these activities, it doesn't mean that we did not attend classes or we did not study. Of course we did. But to be honest, Acharya is one such a place where if you have interest, if you really know what to do with yourself, and if you speak with your teachers, your proctors, your seniors and not just BCA, from different departments, you will definitely get the platform or get your opportunity. As a fact, when I was in first year, I was the only student participating in different colleges. But by the time I graduated, we had a team of 15 plus classmates who used to not just attend, but also win fest for the entire college. So apart from extracurricular activities, Acharya is also a great place to learn. You have your full support of your teachers throughout all your semesters. Teachers also support you during recruitment process to brush up your interview skills, during your minor and major projects, during Viva. I had a great time with teachers, learning from their experiences, from my seniors. Let me tell you all, you guys will not have the same experience what we had 4 years ago, but these are different times. For good or for worse, but you will still have a great experience learning it, because none of us have gone through this before. So go easy with your teachers, go easy on yourself. Everything is gonna be digitalized very soon, even the jobs right now. So have fun creating a lot of new memories and study well. End of the day, your skills and your marks do matter to yourself. Have a great time in college, and let me know if you guys need any more support from your alumnus. Thank you. This is Rahul Gurani. I hope to meet you all soon. Thank you.